Want to say hi?
Hi.
Hi. It's Jenny and Jaden again from vitalitybyjenny.com. And what's that? Oh yeah? So today we wanted to show you how to make what we call spirit snacks. And that is because our dog's name is Spirit, and we use the leftover juice pulp from making juices every day to make her own little healthy treats. And it's very simple and takes only a couple of minutes. So we're gonna
show now.
Really?
I know it.
And Jaden's gonna help me. So this is just pulp left over from a big green juice that we had last night. And you're goofy. Okay, we're gonna just dump it into the food processor.
Yeah. Apple was.
Whoops. Didn't we make a mess? All right. Okay.
It smells like juice.
Mm-hmm. It's juicy, huh?
Apples.
Okay.
Apples.
And then we're just gonna blend it up in the food processor to break down any of the big chunks that are still left.
Apples.
Yeah, there was apples in it. Because, you know, some of them are still kind of big. So we just want to get it all broken down. You want to run it?
I'm gonna do the fast one.
Okay, you can try that one. Okay, let's do 1 second. Let me stir it up a little bit.
I love to lemon.
Oh yeah? What language are you speaking? Nice. Okay, you want to turn it on again?
Faster?
Yep.
Can you do it?
It doesn't want to get going, huh?
Huh?
So it doesn't want to get going.
Why?
Just keep mixing it until we get it all blended together good.
I shall walk over to the tree.
Okay.
I'm going to do the first one.
I think I might have put too much in there. Okay, let's not break the thing.
Why?
Because.
What's this? Ice cream scooper?
Mm-hmm.
Out of a meal.
You're silly.
Look at those pretty flowers.
Which ones? Oh, the ones Daddy got me for Valentine's Day?
Yeah. Is it going?
Kind of. We're getting closer. Mommy should have done it in 2 batches.
I'm talking to them.
Are you?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to push it one more time?
This one?
Whatever one you want.
Where's this one?
No, that one's not the right one. We can hit either this one or that one.
No, I'm gonna hit this one.
Okay, I think we'll be okay.
That one?
Yeah, I think we will be okay.
Watch it. It sounds like juice.
Oh yeah? Let's take out some of these since Mommy put in too much. Alright. I think we'll be alright with that stuff though. And then all you do is take your ice cream scooper. And let me show you. Scoop them out onto your dehydrator trays. Just like that. Into little round scoops. And keep going until you use it all up.
Can I do it?
Yep, you want to do that while Mommy shows them the other ones? Oops, I can't reach it that far, huh? Okay, and got it? They come out, yep, just try to push it against the side when you come up like that. See how it squishes it in there? And then when you put it down here.
Well, what are you just?
These are the ones that are done. Do you want to set it down and can you get it out of there? Nice job. Okay, and then we stick it in the dehydrator around 105 degrees. And I always just do it overnight because we make our juice at nighttime.
Whoops.
That's okay. There we go. Just remember to squish it up against the side when you come up. It'll help. So since we make our juice at nighttime, then we just stick them in the dehydrator overnight, and then in the morning I turn it off and they come out as these little dehydrated cookies, and Spirit loves them. In fact, I'll show you in a second.
Look,
ooh, that's a big one. Here,
look,
did you squish it?
I did it to the side.
You did? Okay.
This one.
Can you reach? Nice job. Okay, this is how much Spirit loves her Spirit snacks. Drooling all over the place. Good girl, Spirit. What do you think, Jaden?
Yes, you awesome.
Is that good, Spirit?
Yes. A big one.
So for more healthy recipe ideas, even for your dogs, and to make healthy eating fun and easy, just visit vitalitybyjenny.com and you can check out Jaden some more there. Huh.
Cool.
Love you guys. Bye.